Converting metric units, dealing with volumes. Here we are given 8 liters and we're asked how many milliliters is that. So first thing I do is find my decimal point. I take that decimal over to the proper column over there. There's no prefix for my L, so it's in the unit column. Fill in my numbers in front of the decimal. Any numbers after the decimal? Nothing there. Next, find the column I want my decimal point to be in, milli. Put it at the end of that column. Fill in any zeros I need to hold that decimal in place. Get rid of my old decimal. I now have my answer. Eight liters is the same as 8,000 milliliters. Next problem, 39 milliliters. Find my decimal point. It's at the end of the number. Find the column I want it to be in, milli. Goes at the end of the column. Fill in my number. Notice there's 1 digit per column. Next, where do I want my new decimal point to be? There's no prefix here for this, so it's just the units column. Put it at the end of that column. Fill in any zeros to hold it in place. Get rid of my old decimal point. I now have my new number, 0.039. If you are going into a medical field, or if you are going into some scientific field, you want to include that 0 in front of the decimal point. Anybody else, you don't need to write it there, but it's a good idea to get into the habit of putting it there anyway.